Alright guys, this is Bowser with White Noise. Also with me speaking is USA and that one Mexican. I will, Adrian. I will. I'll put your real name in this. Let's play this.
You're doing this again?
No, I'm doing this. This time I'm recording. I'm scared already. Fuck. Dude, I'm scared. Well. Alright, I know I'm nearing the first audio tape. I see it. Dude, I'm scared already. Adrian, why did you make me do this? USA, help me out here, man.
My girlfriend's on the line. I don't want to be a baby when she's on.
Dude, I'm scared shitless right now. There's a big head right now. Hello, Mr. Head. How are you doing? There's two heads. Oh, how nice, Mr. Heads. How nice. Dude, I know I'm supposed to look around to find it, but I'm too scared to fucking move my camera. Because I know how this game works. Dude, I'm about to rage quit right now because I'm too fucking scared. Fuck me.
Okay, guys, I'm back.
Dude, I am scared shitless right now. Why am I doing this again?
Well, that's fun.
Dude, why the fuck am I doing this again?